The HF coil from XP. It may sound simple putting it together, but there's a certain procedure you must follow, and this is how to do it. First of all, you'll see the lower stem. This is the front and this is the back of the coil. It's got the hole in it. We need to get the olivet, also known as a barrel spacer, and just insert it between the tangs of the lower stem and make sure it's in line by putting the bolt through. Then we need to get the rubber washer and put it on the left hand side of the stem. Now we're ready to insert it between the coil lugs. Insert the lower stem into the coil lugs, taking care not to trap the wire. And now we can feed the bolt through. Now it's time to put the top hat system on. You'll see 2 slots and 2 tangs on the side of the coil. Just slide it over and now put on the wing nut. You don't have to over tighten this, just enough pressure. This is known as the puller bung. It's used to feed the wire through the lower stem. So make sure the wires aren't trapped. Connect the puller bung to the top of the wire and then just feed it through the lower stem. And there you see the wire at the top. Now take the battery and align the 2 pins up and screw it up securely. Once the battery is secured, just stick the puller bung into the lower stem. There's no need to take it off, and then the battery will sit into the recess. The reason why we build it in this way is so we don't trap the wire between the lower stem and the top of the coil. Always ensure the wire is free to move. And this is why it's essential to put the lower stem onto the coil before feeding the wire through. And that's it, it's all done. The HF coil just needs charging and it's ready to go.